Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a really simple way how you can remove someone from your friend list in Faceit. So what you want to do is just click on your where you have friends profile, and I have a friend here. And what you want to do is this: just come here, and you're gonna see friends, and you just want to click unfriend. And this is how you do it. So you click here and unfriend, and this is something how you can do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.